Everybody say hi to my YouTube channel. Say hi, Mom. Real Bryce. Real, say hi. Why are you being rude? He's in a mood. He doesn't have her iPad. iPad kid. It's okay though. Okay. I want to see nature.
So blue, feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all.
Hey guys, we're here. So pretty. But the house is so pretty.
It looks like
So beautiful. Oh yeah? This reminds me of Grown Ups. Look. You have your volleyball? We popped it. We popped.
She didn't literally pop it, but it popped.
Huh. Meet you guys when we're walking.
Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Let the music take control. Feel the magic in your soul. Summertime, we're feeling free. Dance with me by the sea. Hey, dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so
The Beetlejuice Bridge is coming up, guys. Okay, this is
Like,
actually
this is
scary.
actually, no, but it looks like the Beetlejuice.
This is the Beetlejuice Bridge. Doesn't look like it.
I might be. Oh, I'm too tall for this, guys. Sorry. I'm too tall for this.
Too tall for what?
It says 12'6". I'm This is Hey, you look that way.
Oh. No, I gotta look this way too because we're going to it. Above us. So cool. Look at all this greenery. Trying so hard not to record people because they check what this is. Check.
Oh, hi guys. I have a black shirt that's not mine. I have some jorts, and I have my mom's shoes and white socks on, and then it's just me.
Awesome. They check what this is. Check.
We're eating it, Bryce.
I have Crocs,
You want everyone to
Mitch
carry
Match. I had got the shirt from City Trance, skirt from City Trance, headpiece for my
Trance?
mom, and yeah, that's it. Oh, necklace for my mom too.
Wait, do me.
Outfit shirt.
All right, y'all. So I got this from Depop. It's vintage. I got this from Target, and I got this from Ross. Dress for Less.
What the shoes?
Oh, these are from my Duchess. Oh, Navy.
Wonderful baby. Stop recording.
Why'd you go to grass? Why'd you go to grass? Why'd you go to grass?
Aiden, you look like. Is mom on her phone?
Yes. Caught little koi fish. Lily pads.
What type of Princess Tiana is going on here?
Chilling in your lawn chair, looking at your fish.
Think this is gonna go?
Right? Say hi.
I think that all of you guys, all of your presents.
Barbecue Dad. Ew, pictures. Let's go. Little Red Bridge. How's it going? Okay. Yeah. Okay.
If you look really close, you can see the babies.
You can see the babies. Oh, I see them. They're like clear.
babies.
That's so cute. It's so cute. I was mogging.
Guys. We have to retake that picture. Oh, what?
All right, what the freak?
Pushing your feet because you look ridiculous. Smile. In your picture moment. Think about it. It's partying.
What'd I say? What did I say?
Come on.
My hair's hot.
What the fuck?
Nora, what are you doing?
Come on. Real photo op. Real photo op.
Photo op.
I'm just trying to see this disaster right here. Yeah, it's a disaster.
Oh, no.
A silent place.
The
Quiet place. Oh, it's the quiet place bridge.
Not going there. You know, Quiet Place Bridge had like a bigger structure.
Oh. What the freak? What the? Why is it moving? Why is it moving? Why is it moving? Why is it moving? Oh my gosh.
Watch your step.
I thought that.
Literally my worst fear. Oh my gosh.
It's moving. It's.
Do you know like ages like the Shrek movie?
Yeah.
Remind me of Donkey.
Go ahead, the green. That's my final destination, bro.
She's first, guys. She's first.
Guys, stop.
This is so beautiful. Wee! Say hi, mama. We is on. Ooh,
Tiny fish. It's tadpoles.
beautiful families. Alright guys, that was our little trip. Now we're back on the way to, let's move this way. Now we're back on the way to, what is that thing called?
Like, there's like, can we go inside?
A gas station. But yeah guys.
Wow.
We at Haymakers. We're going in. Say hi. Oh, that's Andre. Oh. What? Haymakers.
You want some M&M?
No.
Back into car. Say hi, peeps.
Hey.
Yeah.
Back again.
I'm so excited. It's summertime.